Happily Ever After, presented by Pandora Jewelry. In order for you to fully experience tonight's performance, the lighting around the Magic Kingdom will be reduced. For your own safety and for that of others, we ask that you remain in the same location until the lighting returns to normal. Our journey will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
How exciting. Alright guys, so welcome in everyone. Once again we are at Disney World, Magic Kingdom, and we are going to watch the Happily Ever fireworks show. Yes, this is the last live party. Jeez, we get this girl on even. Hi Jesus. So yeah, this is our last live night, and I just want to tell you guys massive thank you for your continuous support and everything. You understand? So we have 4 minutes to go. The show is gonna be epic. It's gonna be very loud. It's gonna be loud. So I just can't wait. We can't wait. We're in Florida. Alright. But this is good. Scenery, maybe moving around so the see look a bit walk one. Out here full. Out here jump packed, guys. When I say out here packed, out here is packed. Everybody await for the fireworks show to start. So, I don't know. Probably not to go turn down your phone because it a go loud. It a go loud. So welcome in everyone. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it. Just in case you're just coming and wonder what one we wait on the Happily Ever After fireworks show at Magic Kingdom. Yeah, it's gonna be magical. So stick and stay if you wanna see that. Three minutes left. Jesus Christ, me is from on deaf when me don't know what here. Thank you. Welcome in guys. Welcome in. Hey John. Me good. Me they are excited. Yeah, Gary, that's what it is. It is Magic Kingdom, Disney World. How much minutes left? Jesus. 2 minutes. Let's go. Me hear them say Tinkerbell supposed to slide down tonight, so me just go and wait. Thank you. Who thumbs up the live? Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate the thumbs up. Me just can't wait. Me have a frighten you see? 1 minute to go. Ah, Jesus, thank you. Thank you, Gary. I appreciate it. Big up yourself. Gary, where are you from? What that flag represent? And welcome in and thank you for using the emotes. Appreciate it. All right, see you know. Welcome in. Big up. Thank you, Gary. Appreciate it. All right, guys. Happily Ever After fireworks show. I gonna start in 1 minute. Murder! Ecuador. Love it. Alrighty. You notice when you see a light change from the castle? Me open my mouth louder than the fireworks. Alright? Ooh! Guys, it's showtime! Oh my god! Let's go! Big up yourself. Short time, guys. Short time. Yes.
Happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to
There he
pursue,
goes.
that
Yes.
dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do
Oh,
is
Jesus.
look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder
Oh my God.
take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our
Screenshot.
every wish finds motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. It's just beginning for your heartbeat. Faster, you can find it. Find joy, happily
Gosh. Wow. You're welcome, Gary.
evening star, you shine bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight,
Wow. That's beautiful.
and anything can happen.
Uh-oh.
Taste the morning light there, like men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair. Out there.
Woo! Wow.
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it. And then the journey begins.
Oh! Thank you, Gary. Wow. Woo! Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up.
I take the trail I track, I make the road we stop. The place I know I cannot go, I long to be. See the light that shines on the sea, it's blinding. Keep me close.
Tracy!
And it seems like it's calling to me, so come find me. And let me know.
Appreciate it, Gary.
On that line, will I cross that line?
Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Disney World, Magic Kingdom.
Opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are
Whoa! Woo!
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore.
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
Wow. Right? I can't believe they do this every night. Every single night. Oh wow.
Now, you'll be president. Yeah, beautiful.
Of course. Thank you for watching, Wind. Appreciate you. Jamadad. Rocket. You're welcome, Gary. Woo! Wow. Pirates of the Caribbean. That is fire. That is fire. Woo! Wow. What's going on? I think that's it, guys. I think that's it.
Look inside yourself. You are what you have become.
Right? Think of yourself, Gary.
Who you are.
Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where the heroes would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face.
And a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be.
Right? Woo! Put that in the 3D glasses. Woo! Yes! Wow.
And so our journey comes to an end.
All right, guys.
But yours continues on. Grab a hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever
After. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Battles, the story, the losses and all the glory were changed by the way
Thank you, James.
we live every day. Just look up and reach to the
So cool.
sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Gary, did you see that? Yes, yes, it's Disney. Oh! Yes! Oh my God! Wow! Oh, Madonna! Thank you for the thumbs up. Wow! That was amazing. I know. That was the best surprise. I love that. Tinkerbell just show up. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Eric. Thank you guys. Gary, big up yourself. Thank you for rocking with me. Everybody else, thank you so much, guys. Do remember we go live every Sunday, so do remember to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss anything. Okay? And thank you to each and every one of you for making me hit 100K subscribers, 100,000 subscribers. That was definitely this moment was definitely that. It was a big celebration. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. Yeah man, we'll leave you now. But big up on yourselves. Take care until next week. I did post the live replays, so if you guys want, you can check out the live replays. Okay, you definitely can check them out. When we go on the roller coaster and all of these things. Yeah, you want to be fatty? Talk to me. I could have mashed up one and I want some rum and raisin ice cream. But I appreciate you guys. Love and love here. Have a good night. Y'all be safe out there. Until next time. All right, guys. Bye.